Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. We always keep one of every model here for you to test drive, and now you can drive yours home the same day. Sportage, Sorento, Telluride, Carnival, K5, Nero, EV6, Forte, even the 2024 EV9 is here, fully charged and ready for a test drive. The new car you want, the equipment you want, and even the color you want, in stock and ready to take home. To save you some time, just visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll show you how easy it is to do business with Lupient Kia. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Hi, I'm Howard with Lupient Kia of Brooklyn Park. This month, Kia is offering $750 loyalty cash to all customers who own or lease a Kia. This month, lease a 2024 Telluride S all-wheel drive for $399 per month for 36 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2024 Telluride include dual panoramic instrument and infotainment displays, class-leading cargo volume, available X-Line and X-Pro packages, and Kia's brand-wide, industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Lupient Kia has served over 1,000 customers last year, and we'd love to serve you. Stop in this month to get your 2024 Telluride.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.